No place to stop. We better keep going. Right, Casey? Casey the Wonder Dog. No matter what the weather is, of the three of them, he's always at my side. He never quits. He's the oldest of the bunch. He's slowing down some, but he will not be left behind. He's a good boy. He's been my partner and friend for 10 years, pretty near. And he was a couple years old at least when I got him, so anyway, carry on. There's a tree line behind me, you can see there. That's probably, I don't know, maybe 300 yards away. Once we get inside those trees, we'll break the wind a little bit. It's kind of crystally snowing. If you're looking into it a little bit, it kind of stings the eyes a bit. Probably would have been better to have goggles, but only another kilometer, well, kilometer and a half anyway. That's back the distance direction we came from. We're right close to that tree line now. We've come about 200 yards. There's maybe another 100 to go. Slow moving through this stuff though. It's hard walking through stuff up over your knees like this that's loose. Anyway, here we go. It's getting deeper. This is getting to be a bit less fun as I go here. Oh. My goodness. Would have been a good day for skis or snowshoes, wouldn't it? Duh. Oh well. Last kilometer to go. We made it into the bush line. You can see that the spruce, all the spruce are over probably about 30 yards in front of me. These are mostly poplars right in front of me here, immediately in front of me. And we'll keep on trucking here. We don't want to get too deep into these picking a root here. As you can see, if I can get you in the deal here, as you can see, I'm still sinking pretty deep here. Hard to do balancing with a camera. Whoops. Woohoo! Okay. Let's see if we can get through this a little bit. Don't want to get too deep into right into the evergreens there. And I'll end up more snow down my neck than I can carry the weight of it. Sometimes, if anybody wants to get fit, try walking 2 or 3 kilometers like this. Anyway, it's getting better. We're out of the wind at least, or at least most of it, which is a good thing. That was getting to be pretty nasty wind. I imagine it's somewhere around minus 30, and as you could tell back there, that was quite a wind. I guess minus 30 or minus 35 in temperature, but the wind had to be at least 30 kilometers an hour, 35, so that's what, 25 miles an hour. So I imagine the wind chill is somewhere close to minus 45 to minus 50. Pretty sure. I can check the chart when I get home, but I've been out here often enough to know. Well, carry on. We've been moving along, not in the bush because it's too dense in there, but just through the willows and alders here, a few poplars. We've covered most of the distance. We're getting pretty close to home now. In fact, we're coming up on the trail that leads the last part of the way. Let's see here. Not much left of the trail, but, and you know, I came through here with the snowmobile just a couple days ago to pack it all down. Well, I guess looking at Casey, it's still fairly packed down, but anyway, okay. The camera's getting cold. I keep sticking it in my pocket in between these short bursts of video. That's why I'm not following you along with me here for very long. For one thing, my hand gets cold, but the camera sure doesn't like it much either. So I'm going to cut it off here, and I'm going to work my way the rest of the way home and down to the last, well, down around the corner of the trail there, and maybe another 200 yards or so. I'm going to get home and have a nice hot cup of tea or a bowl of soup or something. I've been out here for about 3 hours and maybe a bit more. It's time to take a break. We'll see y'all soon. I'm glad you joined me. This is an impromptu stroll. It's I'm not sure what day it is, 7th, 8th, early January anyway. And this isn't really a planned video, just since I was out here and I had the film, and my lips are getting frozen a bit, I thought I'd share it. So as always, thanks for joining me. Hope you got some insight there as to what it's like here sometimes. Not the glamour part, just the, well, there's not much glamour part here. Anyway, thanks for joining me. Share, like, and subscribe if you know anybody else who does this kind of foolishness. Seeing some idiot wade through snow up to his knees at 50 below winds. You can share it with them or have them referred to a psychiatrist, I'm not sure which. Y'all take care, have a good week. We'll see you again. Only about minus 30 or 35, but the wind is awful strong. Wind chill minus 45, maybe even minus 50. So I'm gonna have to put these coveralls away, I think, and get out my my winter gear. It's starting to get chilly.